Good morning, I'm Juan, and I'm going to be discussing today about the urban sprawl and how can it be treated, and how it's going to be affecting the system and the environment in the next 25 years. And my first source, my lens is environmental. I chose the source that is conserve energy and future. This source was selected because it states the causes and effects of the urban sprawl. And I used it first because it gives like a foundation to my thesis, and I could add more to it and be more efficient when doing my argument. This source doesn't say how we should approach, it only says how the effects and the causes of the urban sprawl. And there's no false or logic in the source because the site is credible. The second source is on the benefits of restoring ecosystem services in the urban areas. I chose it states how we could change the ecosystem of a city by changing the normal services that we sometimes overlook, and that can really change how the ecosystem of the city actually is. I use it second because it gives solutions to my first source, and to the causes and the effects of the urban sprawl. It gives some solutions. The, and it is not said it's not said when are these changes going to be, but this is a credible source because it's a scientific journal with lots of evidence to back it up. And the third source, I use the urban sprawl greeting card. I selected this source to kind of give conscious to people to see how can a city be if we don't treat the urban sprawl and we don't get better by treating the ecosystems of the city. And there's no additional information about the picture and no false information. What questions do you have? Thank you.